Okay, so what you had to do for number 25 is you actually had to find the inverse of the graph. I actually have the solution key here, but this is your original graph. So what I do is I go to the original graph and mark off 3 of the exact points. So here we see that when I say exact points, like they're not halfway in between, they're falling exactly. Okay. Okay, so here are the points I marked off is at 0, -1, okay, and then we have -1 and 0 and 1 and 0, and then we have -2 and 3 and 2 and 3, and that should be sufficient. And you can pick any points as long as you want to try to find them where they're not halfway in between 2 points, because that'll make it a little more difficult. Sometimes you may have to do that. And so now all we're going to do is take the inverses of all of those points, which just means that you're just going to flip-flop them and then graph them again. So the first one we're going to graph is at -1, 0, which would be right here. Then we graphed 0, -1, and 0, +1. So there's 0, -1, 0, +1, and then the last two would be 3 and -2 and 3 and +2. So there's 3, -2, 3, +2, and then outline your graph. So there is exactly how you do inverses in a graph. So go ahead and try the other ones.